Are you tired of feeling sluggish and unmotivated? Do you want to improve your physical and mental well-being? Look no further than exercise. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we're here to break it down for you. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 exercise regimes that can help you achieve your fitness goals and improve your overall health. The first type is cardiovascular exercise. It involves activities that increase your heart rate and make you sweat, such as running, cycling, swimming, and dancing. Cardiovascular exercise is excellent for burning calories, reducing stress, and improving overall fitness. If you're new to exercise, start with low-intensity exercises like walking, and gradually work your way up to more intense exercises. The second type of exercise is resistance training, which helps build muscle mass, increase bone density, and improve metabolism. Resistance training involves using weights or resistance bands to strengthen muscles. Examples include weightlifting, resistance band exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks. Resistance training should be done at least twice a week, with at least 48 hours of rest between workouts to allow muscles to recover. Yoga is another exercise regime that helps improve flexibility, balance, and strength. It also offers several mental health benefits, including stress and anxiety reduction. It is recommended to do yoga at least once or twice a week, either at home or in a studio. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a type of exercise that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods. It is excellent for burning calories quickly, improving endurance, and boosting metabolism. Examples of exercises include sprints, burpees, mountain climbers, jumping jacks, and squat jumps. It is recommended to do workouts for 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Lastly, Pilates is a low-impact exercise regime that focuses on strengthening core muscles. It is excellent for reducing back pain and improving posture, flexibility, and balance. Pilates exercises include the Pilates roll-up, Pilates leg circles, Pilates bridge, and Pilates crisscross. Pilates can be done at home or in a studio, and it is recommended to do it at least once or twice a week. Incorporating these exercise regimes into your routine can help you maintain your overall health and fitness. However, it is crucial to consult with a doctor before starting any exercise regime, especially if you have any pre-existing medical conditions. Always remember to warm up before exercising and cool down afterward to prevent injury.